5 ways to get rid of sadism. Sadism, characterized by deriving pleasure or gratification from inflicting pain, suffering, or humiliation on others, can be a challenging trait to address. It often reflects deep-seated psychological issues and may require professional intervention for effective management. Here are 5 ways individuals can work towards reducing or addressing sadistic tendencies. Seek professional help. Addressing sadism often requires the guidance of a psychologist or psychiatrist. Therapy, particularly cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or psychodynamic therapy, can help individuals explore the underlying causes of sadistic impulses, develop empathy, and learn healthier ways to manage aggressive or dominant tendencies. A therapist can also help individuals build insight into their behaviors, develop coping strategies, and improve their interpersonal skills. Practice empathy and perspective taking. Developing empathy is crucial for individuals with sadistic tendencies. Practicing empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of others, which can counteract the pleasure derived from causing harm. Engaging in perspective-taking exercises, such as imagining oneself in the position of the person being harmed, can help individuals feel the impact of their actions and foster compassion towards others. Sadistic impulses may arise from unresolved anger, frustration, or other emotional triggers. Healthy coping mechanisms, such as relaxation techniques, mindfulness, or physical exercise, can help individuals manage stress and reduce the likelihood of acting on sadistic urges. Engaging in constructive activities that channel energy positively, such as creative pursuits or volunteer work, can also redirect focus away from harmful behaviors. Develop positive relationships. Cultivating positive, supportive relationships can provide emotional stability and reduce feelings of isolation or alienation, which may contribute to sadistic tendencies. Healthy relationships based on mutual respect, trust, and empathy can encourage pro-social behaviors and discourage destructive impulses. Building strong social connections also provides opportunities for feedback, accountability, and encouragement towards personal growth. Set boundaries and monitor behavior. Individuals with sadistic tendencies benefit from setting clear boundaries for themselves and others. Establishing guidelines for acceptable behavior and recognizing warning signs of sadistic urges can help individuals intervene before harmful actions occur. Keeping a journal to track emotions, triggers, and responses can provide insight into patterns of behavior and facilitate self-awareness and accountability. It's important to recognize that addressing sadism is a complex and often long-term process that may require ongoing support and effort. Breaking patterns of harmful behavior and fostering personal growth towards healthier interpersonal dynamics involves a combination of self-reflection, professional guidance, and commitment to change. By seeking help, practicing empathy, developing healthy coping mechanisms, nurturing positive relationships, and setting boundaries, individuals can take proactive steps towards reducing and managing sadistic tendencies effectively.